Senri no Michimo Ichikara. It is a very famous Japanese phrase which translates into that even the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. So, hello everyone, I'm Himani. I'm a Japanese language tutor having 3 years of experience in this field. So, before starting, I would just like to tell you about my background. So, I have done my graduation and post graduation in Japanese language and cultural studies from JNU, New Delhi. And apart from that, I have N2 level certification in Japanese. So, before starting to learn Japanese, the first question that comes up in our mind is why Japanese? And the answer to it is very simple. With the strengthening of Indo Japan ties, the opportunities in this field are multifaceted and they are booming with each passing day. Be it the metro projects that are coming up, be it the new contracts and new projects that India and Japan are signing with each other. So, it's like a pool of opportunities. So, rather, shouldn't it be that why not Japanese? Yeah. So, apart from this, about talking specifically about this course, it's a 7 day course which is aimed at introduction for Japanese language, and not just language but also the culture, because language alone is not enough. Culture is a very important aspect to it. So the curriculum will include the Japanese cu- culture, which will include the customs, the festivals, and apart from that, in the language part, it will include the greetings, the verbs, self introduction, some basic sentence pattern by which we'll be able to have a normal conversation in Japanese. And the best part of this course is that it comes at a very affordable price of just rupees 1000. And so I think that it is a very wonderful opportunity for every one of you, and you should definitely grab this one and take the first step towards the language so that you can move 100 miles ahead of it. Okay, so yeah, just that. And one more thing that is very important here is I feel that teaching and learning is a two-way process. So we'll be taking on this journey together, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much.